ask yourself, is it the manufacturer's message or is it your message? Hey guys, Jason Harris here with Digital Dealership Solutions. Hey, thanks for joining me on another episode of The Drive. Today, guys, I want to talk about digital ads. Digital marketing goes way beyond just an ad. Unfortunately, though, I find in this industry that there are a lot of vendors out there that have absolutely no problem selling dealership ads as if they were a strategy or actual digital marketing. I'll tell you right now, they're not. This particular dealership I went to had been working with another vendor and, spending roughly about $2,000 in ad spend. They were just literally spending money on ads. I asked the dealership, how often they spoke with this vendor. Did the vendor ask them kind of what their goals and objectives were? Or does the vendor have any idea kind of where their sales or inventory levels are? Bottom line, no. They were literally just taking the manufacturer's ads, dicing them, chopping them up, and then sticking them in a Facebook ad format or a Google text ad. That is it. $2,000 a month this dealership had been just wasting on ads. I want you guys to take a look at what you guys are currently doing in your efforts and make sure that you guys are not just advertising for the manufacturer. Go out, take the time, discuss what is unique about you as a dealership, all right? Discuss what you guys would like to do to offer a unique promotion outside of what the manufacturer is doing. Look, if your vendor doesn't have the ability to custom create a specific message or promotion for you, well then fire them. Here, I guess what it is, and you can see I'm a little perturbed by this because I don't think it's acceptable that there are other vendors out there that are literally just taking the manufacturer's creative, chopping it up, slapping it into an ad, and then calling that marketing. That's not marketing. I'd love to hear what you have to think about this. Hey, drop me a message down below. I really enjoy reading that, and you have a wonderful day.